Good morning students, 10th standard maths, chapter 3 is algebra, relation between roots and coefficient of a quadratic equation. The same one related for the quadratic equation. So ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 are the quadratic equation if alpha and beta are the roots. So you have to write sum of the root alpha plus beta equal to is a coefficient value I mentioned minus b by a. Product of the root alpha beta equal to c by a. Okay, some results involving this roots of the equation. So learn the 5 results. First one, alpha minus beta equal to square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Next, second one, alpha squared plus beta squared equal to within bracket. So plus symbol given, right, with plus symbol alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Next, third one is alpha cube plus beta cube equal to first bracket plus, then middle one only apply the minus symbol alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta within bracket alpha plus beta. The same one for alpha cube minus beta cube. So alpha cube minus beta cube, middle one minus, center one apply the symbol plus symbol alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta within bracket alpha minus beta. Next, fifth one, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 equal to, so write the same one related for the second identity. This one alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square. The same one alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 means alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. The 5 results only apply for the exercise 3.14 exercise sums. Okay, next one, start the exercise 3.14 is a fourth question. If alpha beta are the roots of 7x squared plus ax plus 2 equal to 0 and if beta minus alpha equal to minus 13 by 7, find the value of a only. So beta minus alpha, that value only given. First you have to find out alpha and then beta. So that equation, quadratic equation given, apply the quadratic formula and find out the alpha and then beta value. So what is the quadratic formula? So 7x squared, so a value equal to 7 and then b value equal to a and then c value equal to 2. So write quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So apply the value. So what is minus b? A only. So minus a plus or minus root of b square is a square minus 4ac, 4 into a value 7 into bc value 2 divided by 2 into 7. So write minus a plus or minus root of a square minus 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are is a 56 divided by 2 7s are 40. Okay, so minus a plus or minus. So one of the root you mention alpha, then other root is a beta. So write alpha equal to minus a plus root of a square minus 56 divided by 14. The next root you apply beta. So minus a, what is the symbol? Negative symbol, minus root of a square minus 56 divided by 14. So you find out alpha one root, alpha other root is a beta. So what is the value given? Beta minus alpha equal to minus 13.7. You substitute the value beta minus alpha. So what is the beta? Minus a minus root of a square minus 56 divided by 14 minus alpha value. So within bracket mention minus a plus root of a square minus 56 divided by 14. Okay, so both the term also 14 is a common. So commonly apply for 14 minus a minus root of a square minus 56 sign, middle one is a minus symbol, minus into minus plus only, plus a, this one additive inverse minus only, minus root of a square minus 56. So what is the term cancel? Minus a and then plus a cancel. Then both also add the coefficient value, same sign only given, add the coefficient value minus minus is a coefficient value 1 1. So add the term. So minus 2 root of a square minus 56 divided by 14. This only is a beta minus alpha equal to what is the value given? Beta minus alpha minus 13 by 7. So apply the value minus 13 by 7. This one cancel the term 1 time. This one is a 7 times. Okay, next step. Both the side also 7 denominator 7 7 cancel, and then minus minus both the side also cancel by the minus sign. So write root of a square minus 56 equal to 13. Find the value of a only. So taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. So left hand side square root remove, then right hand side apply the square root. So write a square minus 56 equal to 13 square. So a square minus 56 equal to 13 13s are 169. Therefore a square equal to minus 56, go to the right hand side, 169 plus 56. So a square equal to, add the term, is a 225. Therefore a equal to, so square number means 2 answers only, plus or minus, apply the symbol plus or minus. What is the square number? 225 is a 15 15s are 225. So a equal to plus or minus 15. So one value positive or other value negative also, you mention the term. Fifth question, if one root of the equation 2y square minus ay plus 64 equal to 0 is twice the other, then find the value of a. First one quadratic equation given, find first of all mention the sum of the root and product of the root. So write what is the a value, first mention the a value, b value, c value. So a equal to 2 and then b equal to, so y before the term is a minus a, and then c equal to 64. So mention given quadratic equation, mention the sum of the root. Sum of the root alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Supply what is the minus b? Minus of minus a divided by 2. So minus into minus plus only, so a by 2. Next one, find out product of the root. Product of the root alpha beta equal to c by a. So what is the c value? 64 divided by 2. You reduce the term in 2 table is a 32. So alpha beta equal to 32, alpha plus beta equal to a by 2. The next one, again you mention the roots. One root you mention, one root you have to mention alpha, then other root, then what is the given? Twice the other. So then twice the other, b, twice means it's a 2 alpha. So one root alpha, then other root mean 2 alpha. Then the same one only, sum of the root and product of the root mention. So sum of the root alpha plus 2 alpha equal to, what is the value given? Already mentioned the value, b minus b by a equal to a by 2. Alpha plus 2 alpha, add the term, is a 3 alpha equal to a by 2. Then alpha equal to, so multiple 3, go to the right hand side, is only divide only, say a by 2 into 3. So alpha equal to a by 6. Mention in first one. The next one mention is a product of the root. Product of the root. So what is the one root alpha? Other root is a 2 alphas, right? Alpha into 2 alpha equal to, what is the product of the root value given? 32. So alpha into 2 alpha, multiple the term, is a 2 alpha squared equal to 32. Therefore alpha squared equal to 32. Multiple 2, go to the side, so divide only, 16. So alpha squared equal to 16. Therefore alpha equal to, square number means apply the symbol plus or minus 4. Alpha equal to plus or minus 4. Find the value of a. So substitute alpha value, substitute in first equation. So one value alpha 4, apply this first equation. Another one value alpha equal to minus 4, substitute in the first equation. Okay, if alpha equal to 4, so substitute the value first equation. So 4 equal to a divided by 6. So cross multiplied the term, a equal to 6 into 4, therefore a equal to 24. Next one, you find out if alpha equal to another value is a minus 4, then minus 4 equal to a by 6. So cross multiply the term, a equal to minus 4 into 6. So what is the answer? A equal to minus 24. Sixth question, if one root of the equation 3x square plus kx plus 81 equal to 0 is the square of the other, then find k. So quadratic equation given, first of all mention sum of the root and then product of the root. So write a equal to 3 and then b equal to what is the value? K only, and then c equal to 81. Okay, mention sum of the root alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Mention the value minus k by 3. The next one is a product of the root alpha beta equal to c by a. C by a is 81 by 3. So reduce the term in 3 table. So 2 3s are 6, 21 is 7 times. So next one root, you have to mention 1 root alpha, then what is the given? Square of the other, then square of the other root be 1 root alpha, then square of the other root means is a alpha square. So again mention the sum of the root and product of the root. So write sum of the root. So what is the 1 root alpha plus other root is a alpha square equal to minus k by 3. This one is a mention the term is a first one. Next one is a product of the root. 1 root alpha into other root alpha squared equal to what is the answer given? 27. So alpha into all squared, multiply the term is a add the power term alpha cube equal to 27. Then find out the cube value alpha cube equal to 27. What is the cube value? Is a 3 cube. Therefore alpha equal to 3. That value alpha value substitute in 1. Substitute in first equation. What is the first equation? Alpha plus alpha squared equal to minus k by 3. That alpha value substitute and find the value of k only. What is the alpha value? 3 plus alpha 3 squared equal to minus k by 3. So write 3 plus 3 squared, 3 to 3, 9 only equal to minus k by 3. So 3 plus 9, add the term. So 3 plus 9 is a 12 equal to minus k by 3. Next dividing term is a go to the right left hand side is a multiple only. So minus k equal to 12 into 3. So multiply the term minus k equal to 12 3s are 36. The minus sign go to the right hand side. So k equal to minus 36.